I managed to make my script to make it more humanized 10 times way better. So, the YouTube is so fucking bullshit. They just changing the analytics and shit, Take a screenshot of this, alright? Do me a favor and just fucking screenshot this, alright? And then just use a free AI voiceover on, 11 Labs. I'll put this link in description as well. And yeah, no more boring fucking niches, bro. No more doing those type of, doing the little fucking two picture shit and then yeah, one of those fucking 2 hour. Yeah, do not do that shit, bro. I know you guys are farming off of that, but you can get banned. You can terminate. You can get banned, bro. Alright. You can get fucking banned from this shit. All right. I'm just letting you fucking know. All right. Don't do the fucking boring AI niche, bro. You wasting all the damn fucking water. Be fucking authentic at this time, bro. All right. Doing the fucking AI voiceover doesn't even manage to make fucking little bit tiny drop of water. All right. It's not too much. All right. The AI voice is not too much water. All right. So shut the fuck out. But anyways, if you're trying to make, monetize your channel, I guess maybe you should make high quality AI websites. I don't even know. It's up to you. If you don't want to waste water, good luck sacrificing, bro. Good luck sacrificing, cause that's on you, bro. That is on you. All right. High quality AI websites will make you have make you fuck make you have more money. All right. High quality AI websites will make you have way more money. All right. You get it? Good. As I was saying, yeah, he's my client. He's making around $100 stuff already. He's aiming at 10K a month. All right, 10K a month. That's where he's aiming at, 10K a month. And I know you motherfuckers are acting like, oh, your course is a scam, or your course is a thing. Well, do me a favor, motherfucker. All right. I could give you a refund off of that shit. All right. I could give you a free refund from that shit if you don't fucking like that shit. Good luck sacrificing by yourself, alright? If you don't like my course, then go fuck yourself. Leave out this fucking, fucking video and just go somewhere else. Be lonely. Go work at a 9 to 5 job. That is not on me, right? That's on you. And plus, after that, I lost my bet by like 184 from off my profit. Negative. I was trying to do my bets. It didn't work out. Well, good luck. Now you're saying that I'm a scam. I lost $184. And you guys are saying I'm a scam. And you guys are saying my course is a scam for like 35 bucks. So I was just saying is that how does impressions work, how I gain over $19,000 off of this is that your videos has to be more entertaining than others. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? So like let's say I'm gonna make a Alright, let's say this is hold on. This is your, your competitor. This is your competitor video. You can call it channel or competitor. Who the fuck? You can call it video. So let's say this is your competitor. Alright, now all you gotta do is do this, and then this, and this, and this, and then this is yours. This is yours. This is yours right here. And let me give you a good example, right? You see the difference, right? But just wait. Pretend this is a thumbnail right here. Pretend this is a thumbnail right here on the competitor. This one yours. All you gotta do, bro, is add a tire here. Guess what, bro? This is getting like 100K views, bro. And this one is getting like around like 1 mil, I guess, because this is your competitor. Just because you changed fucking something else on this, you're getting around 100K views. I'm not playing with y'all. I'm not fucking playing with y'all. I'm gonna give the fucking damn proof. I'm gonna give the damn fucking proof. I'm fucking prepared, bro. There's my goddamn fucking proof. There's my goddamn fucking proof. There's my goddamn fucking proof. If you guys are saying I'm fucking capping, there's my goddamn fucking proof. There's my goddamn fucking. Alright. Alright, look. This is your competitor. It has 1 mil. It has more views than your shit. Right here. It has more views than your shit. This one's mine. Alright, just keep in mind. I know one of you guys motherfuckers gonna see this video and you're gonna fucking. It just annoys me, alright? But anyways, this is mine. 100K. Fucking almost around 500K, bro. Oh my god. But anyways, as I was saying is that yeah, that's how you can manage to make views off of it. So yeah, you gotta manage your competitors, and yeah, you get the rules. All right, you honestly you get the rules, right? So how do you make 10K a month off of YTA? So you gotta find something you like a niche style and etc. It could be anything that you like. It could either be fruit love, it could be any kind of shit that you like, it could be any kind. But you gotta stick with it, get better every day, and improve your skills every single day. That's just simply it. And if you want to improve 10 times your skills, you guys are welcome to go to my course. And if you don't like my course, you guys are welcome to leave. I said that shit again. If you don't want to invest, that is up to you, alright? That is up to you. Because I know you broke motherfuckers are going to go to 9 to 5 jobs and you're just wondering why. Shit, bro. I should have invested that shit. I never noticed that, man. Life is so short. I should have done it. That's gonna be you one day, bro. That's gonna be you one day when you get old, when you're working at 7-Eleven or Walmart. That's gonna be you one day. And that's not on me, bro. That's your decision, bro. That's not on me. Alright, but anyways. But it's time to upload a video. As you can see, this is another client I have been working on. Also, is making over 19K a month and shit. So yeah, he's just being consistent with it. He's doing all good. I know you guys are saying like, oh, this is like way past. Well, yeah, this is a month ago, right? This is a month. This is a fucking month ago. Cause March has been past. It's on the 27th already. All right, what's the fucking big deal? All right, still win is a win. All right, best time to upload. Honestly, depends on time, but make it in the morning in USA at 7 a.m. and Los Angeles time. All right, make sure to check Los Angeles time. So how much do you have to invest in YTA to get monetized? This is another question that everyone's been asking me for. Hold on. I got you guys. How much do you have to invest in? If you don't want to invest in any of these, bro, I got you, bro. Go on my fucking course, bro. Yeah, go on my fucking course, bro. None of these you're gonna have to pay, bro. Not even the $22 a month. All right. If you go on my course, everything is for free. Everything's for free. Everything's all AI generated. Everything is fucking dope. I would just send you the goddamn fucking links. I would just send you the DMs right away. I would do your channel reviews right away. And if you guys don't fuck with it, that is up to you guys. Yeah, you know the whole story. Anyways, so how to make your YouTube think that you're not a bot and how to get more attention into your brand. So I've been hearing this a lot sometimes, but you don't really need to do this. But you could buy your Chromebook and warm up, or you could warm up or watch videos. The reason why Chromebook is because that there's a little tiny shit. Yeah, the little tiny chip. The little tiny chip. You know what's the tiny chip it has on the Chromebook, alright? The little tiny chip is what matters on this Chromebook, alright? That is why YouTube might think you're a bot or not, but this is up to you if you want to do this, if you want to push your algorithm more. So you don't really have to do this, but the Chromebook only costs about like $200, I think. So it's only up to you if you prefer doing it or not. And another one, I want to make a good example. So this is another client I have been working on also. 5 minute method is actually really good. 5 minute method. And let me tell you why. Because I know some of you guys might work on shorts, some of you guys are not doing shorts, but a 5 minute method is actually a good example of why you should get like this amount of views and this amount of views, and then yeah, you should get monetized. And after that, you just do like around 15-minute videos. That's just simply it. If you continue doing these, like at least around 15 videos at least, or 5 videos, sometimes you get lucky doing 5 videos, but most of them will push the algorithm at 15 videos. Just keep in mind. That's all I have for you guys, honestly. Thank you guys for watching, and without further ado, like and subscribe. And if you want to, you guys are welcome to go in my community. If not, honestly, up to you. And yeah, with that being said, peace out.